the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public. Is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
Y mejorar las capacidades de alerta y advertencia a nivel federal, estatal, local, tribal y territorial y evaluar las capacidades de alerta y advertencia pública de la nación. No se requiere ninguna acción por parte del público.
Well, I guess you could say that was successful. Sadly, I missed the 11 a.m. RWT, but of course, since Ruskin has two, well, it's gonna happen again. This guy did not go off. Really disappointing. That's like its first time. Oh well, anyway. Well, thank God I caught it. I have wanted to catch something like that for quite a while. I was going to use the BC370 CRS, but, you know, really it was kind of in a rush. I actually got a appointment to go to about now. But, anyway, thanks for watching. Ciao, folks.